Okay.
So we have a willing participant here. This is Dee. She's never wood grained before.
No, I haven't.
So tell us about your project, Dee.
I have a 1931 slant window 4-door deluxe, and my husband and I are doing a total restoration. And we have started our wood graining, but I want a few more hints. We have the kit, but we came to the show to see the way it's properly done.
Okay.
So first thing that we're going to do, we put our ink on our plate.
Right.
And we're going to squeegee that across.
Okay.
Push that ink right into those etchings.
You have to turn this around every time you use it. That's what the instructions say.
There we go. Pick up your little pattern. Now you're ready to place that on the part.
Ready? I'm going to follow the curve.
Okay? Just find your starting edge here. There we go, right about there. And then press down nice and hard so you can get it into that groove. And just roll this way. Okay. Not bad for a first try.
I could have done better, but
So that's not a problem because
Right.
then we just take this paper towel, wipe it right off. And then we're going to take your roller and roll it on that paper and get that extra ink off. Okay, and now re-ink those etchings. It'd be better if you could reach it, eh?
Shorty here.
Want me to get your little stool to stand on? There you go.
Okay. Pick up your pattern.
Oh, I made a gob. I gotta get rid of it.
Find your one. Right about here.
Okay.
I'm gonna put that all the way over here to the edge. And push down nice and hard. There you go. All right.
Oh yeah.
I did a lot better that time.
So, what do you think?
I think I should have put more pressure on the top of the roller because I got in this groove really good. And if I had put more pressure on the top, I would have gotten in the groove here and it wouldn't have to be redone.
Mm-hmm.
I mean, you know, filled in. But I love the pattern.
I think you're a pretty good wood grainer.
I think you guys have a great product.